Hello friends, in this video I'll show you the gaming performance of the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G. So let's start with the graphics settings. Let's tap here. Now go in the audio and graphics. Here you can see in the graphic quality we have low, medium, high and very high options. And in frame rates, low, medium, high, very high and max options. We'll play on low graphics and max frame rate, so you will get 60 FPS from this phone. Now let's start the game. Let me tell you, this phone has 8GB RAM and Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which works on 5nm fabrication. Coming to the gaming experience, you get smooth performance from the phone and 6.67 inches AMOLED display has good touch response. During long gaming sessions, you get a stable frame rate and good graphics details. The 5000 mAh battery will also help you for your long gaming sessions. So all in all, the gaming performance of the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G is up to the mark and you will enjoy your gaming on this device.